today is the flexible tripod. That just stay there. And then we have the bag. We bought this very nice bag. Oh, there's so much space in here. You get your nice strap. You can put your dividers in the way you want. Nice place for your memory cards. I like it. Perfect for 4K shooting. The mic. Dun, dun, dun. In here, ooh, this is nice. Looks so fancy. I'm so excited. Okay, the next is the 15-45mm lens. Don't know if you guys are familiar with this one. It's just the basic kit lens. And then last but not least, the Fujifilm X-T100. Let's go. And here is the masterpiece we have been waiting for. Stood up for this little beauty. So we have the silver Fujifilm. This is the Fuji X-T100. Perfect for vlogging. And it can tilt. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It is amazing. I cannot wait to go shoot with this. This is amazing. And that was it for today. I'm very excited to go out with this. Yun is going out with his Canon. I'm going out with my Fujifilm. And we are going to take some shots. Keep an eye out for us. We just leveled up.